Hi, it's Craig. Welcome back to the channel. I had an interesting conversation recently with a team leader who hadn't used English at work for quite a while, months or even years. Situations like this often get treated as a language problem. In reality, they're usually about pressure, confidence, and mental overload happening at the same time. The good news is there are a few simple things you can do to make that return to English far less uncomfortable. Point 1. Prepare. Preparation doesn't mean trying to revise everything. What matters is having a small, reliable base you can fall back on. Before the meeting, make sure you can introduce yourself and your role. Explain what you're responsible for. Ask for clarification. Interrupt politely if needed. That already covers a large part of real meeting communication. You don't need perfect English, you need usable English. Point 2. Expectations. One of the biggest mistakes after a long break is expecting too much too quickly. At the start of the meeting, your understanding might feel limited. That's normal. As the meeting goes on and you relax, things usually become clearer. It's also worth remembering that listening in another language is tiring. Feeling drained afterwards doesn't mean you did badly. It means you were working. Point 3. Listening. If you can't follow everything, don't try to catch every word. Instead, listen for key actions, decisions, names, priorities. A few clear notes are far more useful than trying to write full sentences. Point 4. Be open. If you need to contribute, be realistic about what you understand and what you can express. That doesn't mean apologizing for your English. It means asking clear questions when something matters. In international meetings, clarity is usually appreciated more than pretending. Point 5. Support. Most meetings offer more support than people realize. Slides, shared documents, colleagues, short clarifications during breaks. Using these tools isn't a weakness, it's how professionals stay aligned. Coming back to English at work is rarely comfortable, but it's usually far more manageable than people expect. If this situation sounds familiar, there's another video on screen that looks at what to say in meetings when you're feeling a bit rusty.